Automakers push EPA to delay pollution rule. Major automakers are pushing EPA to delay and rewrite vehicle pollution rules. Their argument is simple. EV demand is not growing as quickly as expected, and the current rules may be too aggressive for the market, and argue that delaying the rules could increase pollution and health risks. Here's the truth. The EV market is not dead, but the fantasy that everyone would instantly switch to EV is falling apart. Buyers still to care about the price, charging, range anxiety, reliability, and convenience. Automakers overpromised on EVs when the hype was strong, but now they want flexibility because the real buyers are moving slower than the press release. Hello everybody and welcome. Thanks for watching the news, and let me know in the comment below if you appreciate this type of segments so I can produce more of them. Then like and subscribe. Story 13. Right to repair becomes a national auto issue. President Trump met with the auto industry leaders over the right to repair debate. So folks, let that sink in for a moment. You have a car, so now at some point it might become criminal if you decide to repair it. I'm talking about the car that you already purchased with your hard-earned money. Then you may have issues repairing these cars just because it might become illegal. This matters because modern vehicles are becoming harder for independent mechanics to repair. Cars are now loaded with software, lock systems, diagnostic tools, sensors, and connected services. That gives automakers and dealerships more control after the sales. And let's be honest, repair work is big money. My take is, if you buy a vehicle, you should have the right to repair it or choose your own mechanic. Yes, cybersecurity matters. Yes, safety matters, but automakers should use technology as an excuse to trap people into expensive dealer services forever. Story 14. Tesla Robotaxi watch. Tesla Robotaxi story is heating up again in Texas. Tesla has been expanding autonomous ride-handling activity, and this is a big part of Elon Musk's future vision for the company. Tesla does not want to be seen as just an automaker. Tesla wants to be seen as an AI, robotics, and transportation platform company. But here's the issue though. Robotaxis are not just a cool demo. They are vehicles moving around real people, real roads, real traffic, and real weather. My take is, I want autonomous technology to succeed, but safety must move faster than the hype. Tesla needs to prove that the system works constantly before scaling too aggressively. Hello everybody and welcome. Thanks for watching the news, and let me know in the comment below if you appreciate this type of segments so I can produce more of them. Then like and subscribe. Before you buy your next car, watch this, because the auto industry gave us one clearest warnings we have seen all year. Luxury brands are struggling to make EVs exciting. Automakers are rethinking electric plans. Major recalls are hitting Ford, Hyundai, Subaru, Honda, Acura, and others. Robotaxis are moving closer to the roads. Chinese automakers are pushing deeper into Europe. And add-to-ride repair is becoming a national fight, which President Trump got involved in. So this is not just another week of car news. This is about trust. Can you trust your vehicle? Can you trust the technology? Can you trust the company? And most importantly, should you spend your hard-earned money on it? Welcome back to Berdy Automotive News Update. Let's get into it right now.